on your head, smell the rest of our lives, our lives, our lives, our lives, our lives, our lives.
What's up, cousins? It's the green haired girl Jay, back at it again with another reaction video. Greetings to all of my cousins from Russia. Hello, how are you doing? I hope you guys are enjoying your week. Today's reaction will be to none other than the ever so talented Diana Ankudinova as she sings Blizzard. I'm super excited to get into this one. I think that she is just an incredibly talented young lady. I am a huge fan of hers and I can't wait to see what she does next. I'm not gonna hold you any longer. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your cousins so they could be my cousin too. All right, let's get into this one, y'all. Wow. Again, just another out of this world performance by Diana. I promise you, she is not from this planet. She is just unreal. Like her talent is just, it amazes me every time that I hear her sing. It's incredible that a young, innocent girl like that just has such a powerful and commanding and strong voice come out of their body. Like, you don't expect that when you see her, and when you do actually hear her for the first time, you're like, what just happened? You're completely blown away, like I was the first time that I heard her. Oh my god, I loved it. Absolutely loved it. I'm glad to see that the judges loved her as well. Oh my god, incredible, just incredible. Please let me know in the comment section below how you enjoyed this performance by Diana. I hope you loved it as much as I did, cousin. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already. Welcome to the family if you do subscribe. And come kick it with your cousin on the next video, all right? Green Hair Girl out.